Are you forgetting things? Do you walk into a room and not remember why? Do you forget people's names? Do you forget where you put things? Do you think it's normal to age? You're wrong. Forgetfulness is not normal. Forgetfulness is a sign that your brain is not getting the nutrients it needs. Forgetfulness is a sign that you need to take action. But the good news is that you can recover your memory. You can recover it in 30 days. You can recover completely. All you need to do is make the right changes. Your memory depends on 3 things: nutrition, exercise, and sleep. If you are improving these 3 things, you can recover your memory in 30 days. Protocol: memory recovery in 30 days week. 1. Nutrition. Start eating foods rich in omega-3, salmon, sardines, chia seeds, flaxseed. Start eating foods rich in antioxidants, blueberries, strawberries, dark chocolate. Start taking vitamin B12 supplements. Eliminate organic sugar. Eliminate alcohol. Week 2. Exercise. Start doing 30 minutes of exercise per day. Start doing memory exercises, puzzles, Sudoku, crosswords. Start meditating for 10 minutes a day. Week 3, sleep. Start sleeping 8 hours a night. Start going to bed at the same time every day. Eliminate screens 1 hour before bed. Week 4, consolidation. Continue with everything from weeks 1, 2, and 3. Add memorization techniques. Add learning of new things. Science behind omega-3 is essential for brain health. Omega-3 increases brain plasticity. Brain plasticity is your brain's ability to form new connections. New connections, new memory. Antioxidants protect your brain from oxidative damage. Oxidative damage damages specific cells. Antioxidants prevent this. Vitamin B12 is essential for brain health. B12 deficiency causes memory loss. Exercise increases BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. BDNF stimulates the growth of new brain cells. New cells packs new memory. Sleep is when your brain consolidates memory. Without adequate sleep, you cannot consolidate memory. Who's going to try this protocol this week? Comment below. Let's recover our memory together.